Yo, what up YouTube reacts? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So basically I'm going to be talking about a little situation that happened with me. If you watched my previous video, I had a situation that my screen was actually changing colors and stuff like that, so I had to uninstall Armory Crate, and I'm going to give you a fast recap of what was going on. Basically, with the update with Armory Crate, there were some situations that was going on with my ROG Ally that which everybody had this problem, that you was unable to update your stuff through Armory Crate, and was basically dealing with the update for Armory Crate, and it was also the thing dealing with the AMD software. Basically we just got the CPU booster, so I actually had a problem with that, with the drivers with that. So when I tried to install everything back, I just had so many issues with the AMD driver. When I was able to actually download it, I guess some files got corrupt, and I noticed after a couple of days when I turned off my ROG Ally, turned it back on because I'm normally keeping it on the dock like how I have it right now. I noticed that my screens was turning rainbow. Basically it was affecting the resolution, so it was like 1080p, 900p, 720p. Anytime I would run it not on a dock and change the colors, like on a reboot, the screen would just be rainbow. Come to find out, the way how I fixed it was basically uninstalling AMD software AE, and when I reinstalled it back, after I did the reinstall back, it still gave me the same issues. What I did was, after I uninstalled it and reinstalled it back, I did it as a factory reset, and as soon as I did it as a factory reset, everything started working correctly. I was having problems with OBS, that my cameras and none of my softwares was working correctly, even my capture card. As soon as I did that factory reset, and the AMD software, everything is working fine now. I'm not having no problems with no other things. So yeah, that was a big factor. So that was one of the issues also on top of it. So I'm going to basically show you how to reinstall Armory Crate. I do want to give you guys a big situation right now. So if I go to the Microsoft Store, this is basically where everything is going to be located at for Armory Crate. If you even go right here and type in Armory Crate SE, it's not going to even show up. So basically, if I go to my library right now, I might have an update going on right now. Let's just look for Armory Crate. So here it is right here. And as you can see, it's open. But if you uninstall Armory Crate SE, you will not get this option to actually re-download it back. Now you can go, I actually went to ROG Ally Reddit page and read it by itself. I did get a link that basically gives you it. I clicked on it, tried to download it. It just does not let you download anything. So yeah, that's one of the things on top of it also. So I'm going to show you two locations where some of your files may be saved, and so you can actually re-download it. One of them is the app data, which you can try to find it inside here. But one of the more files that you'll be able to actually find it is by going to right here, your PC. And I do know I need to upgrade my my memory, not my memory, my hard drive, my disk space, my NVMe. So don't worry about that, guys. So yeah. Click on that. You want to go to eSupport right here. Me, I do backups. I back up all my drives. As you can see, I have all the stuff right here. Anytime I get a file, I normally back it up into the system, which I'm going to remove this, but I like to just keep it on here. This is probably like 4 gigabytes of drives. Oh, 17 gigabytes. Ooh, I need to remove some of the stuff and put it into one of my backups. But I got 17 gigabytes of files on here, which that's a lot of data. So yeah, eSupport right here, eDrivers. You want to go to software. You want to come down when it says Windows 32. You could go right here, online, ASUS, and you see right here, but it may not pop up on here. Some of the things may not even show up. It'll be an empty folder. So what you want to do is go to Windows 32 XP, ASUS. Here you got your Armory Crate SE servers right here, so you can click on that and try to reinstall that back. Just showing you guys right there. You got your Armory Crate SE set up. You may be able to reinstall it back right there. When I tried to, it wasn't installing back, so I don't know, but you can try it. That's one of the places that you can do it. Let me close this down because I did this video probably like 3 times and I had to keep redoing the video. So one of the things you could do too is go to the website and download it. Now the thing is, I had to call ASUS to actually find out to get the actual file, because when I was going to the website, they actually removed it. Normally it would be under graphics. They removed that whole location off of it, so yeah, isn't actually in a different location. They gave me the link and all that good stuff. So one thing, do not type in asus.com, as you can see right here. Do not come to support. Do not go to drivers and menus, because this is not drivers that you want. You can type in what you want, but this is not the web page that you want to actually download your drivers. What you want to do is, if you go to asus.com, you want to go to where it says Republic for Gamers. The website which you want to go to is rog.asus.com. That's the website that you want to go to. So I'm just going to click on that. As you can see right there, rog.asus.com. So once you come here, do not click on downloads, okay? Don't click on downloads. Don't click on ASUS RSync. Don't click on Armory Crate, because if you do that, it's going to bring you here. You don't want to do that. So what you want to do is just click on that. As you can see, go to support. You don't want to do this neither, because here's one of the problems that you're going to run into. And if you go here and then click on Enter Download Center and all that stuff right there, it's just going to bring you here, and you click on the models and click on the type, and you don't want to do none of that. All right. So what you want to do is, you can stay on this website if you want to. It's up to you. But you, when you go to Gaming Republic, you want to go to Products, Gaming Handheld. All right. As you can see right here, you can click on Support. You don't want to click on this Support right here, because the only thing it's going to do is bring you back here. What you want to do is this. Go to google.com. Type in, I don't give a crap, ROG Alley. Click on this right here. As you can see, here's the website. This is the page you want to get on right here. As you can see, like I said, you can do it right here. You can go through products right here. You want to go to handheld, ROG Ally 2020. But this is the fastest way to do it. As soon as you get on this page right here, click on support right here. And this is going to bring you down to the links. Click on drivers and utilities. And basically right here, you want to go to RC71L right here. Click on that. Windows 11 64-bit right here. So normally the driver would be right here under graphics, right? They moved it off of graphics, because the only thing that's under graphics now is just the AMD graphic driver, AMD graphic driver again, AMD control panel, which this will actually show up in the Microsoft store. So if we go right now, as you can see right here, got the download. This is not the actual one. Remember, it's AMD Radeon Software AE. So this is not the correct one. All right, this is basically for the Windows. So once you enjoy this is the actual one for the ROG Ally. This is the one that you want to download for your Ally. What you want to do is download the first one. Then you want to download the second one. As you can see, the versions right here. This one is 80.0.0.1. This one is 10.12 right here. So this is the up to date. This is the one after that. So yeah, what you want to do is come down to where it says software and utilities. Then you want to click on show all. Scroll down right there. Here's Armory Crate SE right there, installer. Download it, install it, bada bing, bada boom, back up and running again, redo everything, and you'll be good to go. So if you guys don't know, I am on my ROG Ally. As you can see right here, I have my stuff back up and running. Basically what was happening is, when I was doing everything, when I was doing the hard reset like that, all these settings was gone. All this was gone. So basically I only had just these 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had these 9 tiles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I had these 9 tiles right here. I didn't have all this extra stuff, and I had to basically re-put everything back in, which was a pain in the ass. It wasn't really a pain in the ass. It's just how I had my stuff set up. I had to try to go off some of the videos of how I originally had everything set up. But yeah, that was the problems. I actually went into this and I actually fixed the problem. So now when I reboot my ROG Ally, I'm not running into no issues. I actually can use my softwares like I was originally doing. And right now I do have an issue with Armory Crate right now doing an update. That's because I already did the update that I needed to do, but it's still going to try to push it. So as you can see right here, it's basically right here telling me the R&D driver graphics update. So I'm just going to click out real quick, and you're going to basically see that it's not going to do anything. It's going to keep saying that. It's going to do that over and over. Good thing I have a backup driver. As you can see, I have the backup drivers right here. Go here real quick. Here, drivers. and I'm trying to remember which one it was. This is all this. Okay, this is the package right here. Drivers, displays. So right here, click install. Even if I install it right now, it ain't gonna do nothing. It's just gonna install the extra stuff right there. As you can see, doing that stuff. As you can see, failed to install the driver, access denied. Adding the driver package failed, access denied. Blah 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 blah. Like that. So yeah. So yeah, it's basically dealing with this. I'm gonna have to reinstall the thing, do it like that, try to get the stuff up to date. But it's gonna keep doing that. It's gonna keep telling me to update it. I already updated. This is the older version right there, as you can see right there. I'm on an updated version already, just to show you guys really quick. I do have the what did I switch me off? Go back to customs. Okay, y'all probably seen that flickering. Skip, cancel, get that turned back on. So we got the radiant booster right there. So you got the booster right there and all the extra stuff. So I got my stuff back up. Customs, displays, as you can see, free sync, display 2, not supported. So yeah, everything's back up. I got everything back and running. It's just going to keep trying to recycle it, stuff like that. Showing you guys basically what was going on. So yeah, that's how you get Armoury Crate back. I'm just going to exit out of here. You can see I got the newest one, release date 9/26/2023. So I do have to update this. I just got to go back into the website, re-download it, and I'll be good with everything. All right, guys, this is your boy Daddy Easy here. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy Gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.